fun and sporty. 4-wheel drive. 4x4. 4WD. This amazing Tacoma is just waiting to bring the right owner lots of joy and happiness with years of trouble-free use. Safety features include ABS, traction control, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, cancelable, stability control. How tempting are all the features on this 2011 Tacoma Base V6: power door locks, air conditioning, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, 236 horsepower, 4.0-liter V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing.